Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here, coming to you from my shed slash shop, which is all I have for now till I get something better built. But I figure I'm gonna try and clean the truck a little bit, even though it's, hotter than the hubs of Hades around here, because Arizona. And we'll see how that goes. I don't really have any of the right stuff right now, but we'll go through our accoutrements here and let's see. It's pretty funny that for a guy that has pretty much only had old crappy cars for most of his life, I got so many polishes, like carnauba wax, because that's what we need. There we go. Nano wax. That stuff's actually pretty good. Plastic X, which I think I bought for either the Jeep or the Ecto back before all its bumpers were painted. Ultimate Compound. This will probably be happening on the rims, because, Mother's is awesome. I'm going to probably try and polish up the chrome rims that are on the truck, because it doesn't really need new rims, just new tires. Some, 20-year-old Nissan fabric cleaner, because back in the day I used to own a Nissan. And everybody's got some new finish laying around. The Scratch Doctor. Make the scratches disappear. If all else fails, we can just paint it. I got some Krylon sitting around. But I want to try and clean it up. And get all the crud off the engine. Ooh, it's bright and hot out here. Yeah. All my rat's nest of craziness up here. Try and get in there and get rid of some of that before it catches on fire. I did find out something fun the other day. So this is over here is my air cleaner that was on the truck when I got it, which of course it had a different carburetor. So if we take the stud here, it doesn't fit. It's too small, so I have to get a different stud for the air cleaner. Either that or buy a different air cleaner. Probably like an Edelbrock one, because that's what everybody puts on them, and you don't have Edelbrock parts. But, alright, well, we'll see if we can figure out how we're going to get in here and do this, and gotta try and find a brush or something, because I don't really want to soak the engine with water, and I don't really plan on degreasing it yet, because that'll make it leak, because the grease stops all the leaks in these old vehicles, and I don't really care if it's greasy. I mean, it's not a show truck. But alright, let's see what we can find. Alright guys, I've gathered some tools. I got a foam brush because I couldn't find a paintbrush, and got a wire wheel on the drill. I don't know if I'll really need that. Maybe a little, It might be, the wrong tool for the right job, or the right tool for the wrong job, But, in honor of Father's Day, we can file that under, bad dad jokes. But let's see what we can do here. See, and none of this would have to happen if I had an air compressor. But I don't, because I haven't got around to that yet, and I had nowhere to store one before. One of these days, I'll pull that off. And see, this is the problem I'm having. Look at this fucker. Right here. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that, because I can't really see what I'm shooting, but these things are horrible. And boy, do they suck when they get stuck in your fingers. That's why I gloved up, for my protection and yours. Alright. Yeah, but those darn prickly cactus things are everywhere on this engine. Let's see. Hey, these are blue valve covers. Who would have known? A little bit. I don't think I'm going to get as far today as I would have liked. It's not going to be as clean as I want. I may have to actually pull out the hose and soak it down. That'll be fun. Especially without a properly fitting air cleaner to keep water out of the carburetor. Alright, well, I will keep you updated on the progress here and we'll see what we can do.